Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord no route RTC connecting error on Windows. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we need to do is to let's verify the Discord status. So we need to go into Discord status.com right here, and we need to here we are, and we can see that everything is good, everything is operational. And as you can see in South Africa, the voice is under maintenance. So in that case, if you're in South Africa, then you would need to wait for a bit in order for you to start accessing the services again normally. But if you're not affected by this, then it should be no problem to you. So this might be the reason that you are getting some errors suddenly. So you might want to check it right here if it's currently having an error or it's currently not operational right now. That's why you're having an error. But if everything is good right here, you're not affected with what is going on right here in this Discord status, then what I can show you is that you can go into your Discord app right here on your Windows, and from here you want to go into your settings. So click here on your user settings right here, and from here you want to go into your voice and video right here, and you want to make sure that your input and output device is correct right here. So as you can see, mine is currently correct because I have my default settings right here. So yeah, it's correct right here. So you want to make sure. So if you're having an error, then you might want to check each one of them, which one of them would correctly work for you. And it might be also a good shot that you would want to reset voice settings right here. This is also a really good step that you can use if you don't know what's causing your error right here. So you can click here, reset voice settings, so that everything will be reset and everything will be new in case you tampered on something right here that is causing your error. So yeah, so once you have done that, then you can now test it out and see if it's working. And now what I can show you, if that still didn't work, then you can click here on your taskbar and go to Task Manager, and you want to delete or end task everything right here. So everything Discord related. So right here it's Discord, so I want to end task. Remember, only Discord apps related, okay? So you might want to find the Discord right here. So as you can see, we don't have Discord anymore. So everything is good right here. So I'm gonna go and close my task manager and see if the problem has been solved by going into Discord again and testing it out. And if not, then you can also disable your VPN. In case you're using your VPN right here, then you need to disable your VPN if you're using a third party. Or you can check if your internet is correctly working right here in speedtest.net in your browser, speedtest.net, and from here you can test your speed and see if it's on the right speed, or if not, then you can just it would depend on your router. You would need to restart your router and see if the problem has been solved. But if not, then I guess it's for your internet provider to solve. So you would need to contact your internet provider if you're not having the internet speed that you should have right now. And then the next thing is that we would need to go into command prompt right here. So this will be the last resort. So go here on command prompt and run as administrator. Remember to run as administrator, that is very important. And from here, you're gonna type ipconfig //DNS and hit enter. And after that, then you can close your command prompt and see if the problem has been solved. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope this video solved your problem. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.